In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get API Key Hubspot. By the end, you'll have your developer API key created and copied safely, along with a few best practices so you can use it confidently and securely. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot into the search bar and open the official HubSpot website. This just gives you a quick path to the right login page without needing to remember a specific URL. Once you're on the HubSpot site, sign in to your account. If you have access to multiple HubSpot accounts, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing, since your API key is specific to the account you're currently viewing. You'll need sufficient permissions to create keys, typically a super admin or similar role. After you're signed in, look for the gear icon at the top of the HubSpot interface. That's your settings. Click it to open your account's settings area, which is where you can manage integrations and developer-related tools. Inside Settings, go to the Integrations section. You can find it in the left-hand sidebar. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar within Settings and type Integrations to jump right to the page. Within Integrations, select Service Keys. This is where HubSpot groups keys and tokens that allow external tools to connect to your account. Next, choose Developer API Key. This area is dedicated to creating and managing the account's developer key. If your company manages API access centrally, you may see restrictions here. In that case, you'll need an admin to proceed. Click Create Key. If there's already an active key, you may see an option to rotate it instead. Creating or rotating a key will generate a new value that you'll use in your applications. Keep in mind that this key grants broad access to your HubSpot account, so proceed carefully and only create it when you're ready to store and use it securely. Once the key appears, click Copy. Immediately paste it into a secure location, such as a trusted password manager or an encrypted environment variable in your development setup. Do not share the key publicly, post it in code repositories, or send it over unsecured channels. Treat it like a password. If it's ever exposed, return here to rotate it and update any systems using the old key. If you don't see service keys or developer API key, you may lack the necessary permissions, or your account may use private app tokens instead. In that case, contact your HubSpot admin or search your settings for private apps. That's it. Your HubSpot developer API key is created and safely copied. Thanks for watching.